Hello everyone. Hello. Intra em. Lâu lưu trú là, lâu lưu trú là. Class kan trần mấy đòn. Đây. Question number 7. Request ao mà hay cái nào. Question number 7. Chuan. Question number 11. Question number 12, 16 le. 21. Hey. Chọc cần tụi mga với nạ thầy chuan. Now chuan next class akan continue ao. Đây. Chuan. For my YouTube students. This is my number. Hey. Cái number niya. Zona in này chuan emo question request in này ani chuan min bereng thei sir milo pui or milo solve sak milo explain sak chuan explain anga I will record it and I will upload it in YouTube hasung me lawin you can text me WhatsApp or lok he kan sit lok. Okay, so let's start with question number 7. Question number 7. Calculate goodwill if it is to be calculated at 3 years purchase of super profit. Goodwill is what? How will goodwill be calculated? Taking 3 years purchase of the super profit. The firm earned business with a capital of, the firm started business with a capital of rupees 1,50,000. The normal rate of return, the normal rate of earning in this class of business is 25%. The firm earned rupees 45,000 as profit during the year. Then question kan chok main interest le tur chumo. The firm atia tro question in the firm atia the firm chu my business I business ang ingayang my business or our business kan business ang in kan ngayang the firm ani chu accountancy kan chok piang yan mo accountancy kan chok yan viewpoint hi apoi mo nya two viewpoint tang nge kan chirang we will always think from the viewpoint of the business viewpoint ang in business viewpoint in kan chirang so always assume that this is your business. Always assume that this is your business. Can analyze ang tikan. Le. Goodwill is to be calculated at 3 years purchase of super profit. Hey, easy kaila. Formula po can explain ang. Don't worry. Question number 7 solution. Goodwill is equal to 3 into super profit. 3 years purchase of super profit at yatro. Of multiplication aniya. 3 years purchase of 3 years purchase of super profit. Into the 3 into super profit. So super profit pon formula ni ito. Formula po can explain na. Formula po kan tetemang mabaya turum law account sa chon. So what is super profit? Super profit is equal to, what is super profit? Super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit. Hey formula ni ito. Tikan inject po tanga. Then you will write the working notes in the working note om chon. Tikan inject ang le. Super profit tikan tetemang. Before moving with the question, katidaan sum chemania question hi ka chok ngai lo ni ka explain phat thin ni tro easy de win tikan eng ba ba ha turum lo easy de win kan solve the le kan analyze le lok super profit hi nge kan chetiam phatang denan super profit a chon mo super profit a chon in tur chu under hemi chapter a kan chetiam dan tur chu average profit method matro average profit method chu ullu tuka kan average profit past year's profit kan na average a chuan khami nen goodwill kan zong atro so very simple average profit chu engma problem am lo ta problem chu super profit method le capitalization method ani atro problem kan nei thin chu capitalization method super profit method le capitalization method problem kan nei thin atro kan boi thin ani so all the doubts will be cleared, all the confusions will be cleared, don't worry. Super profit method hi kan thiam phatang. Then we will move to capitalization method. Le super profit achon inge kan entrin. Super profit method achon mo kan en tur chu kan profit le kan profit le kan competitor te profit kan profit le kan competitors te profit kananang. Let's take an example. In the same class of business he intratiam ngai same class tu ni entan education business a ka mani jon kan competitor ta po education a thau chungai no jon comparison a dik thelo ni. So let's say edu xyz, edu means an edu xyz capital kan tho chu kan thria tro business kan tan do na capital kan nei lo chon eng ma kan di thelo tro business kan tan na chan chu profit kan du wang ania profit chu ente kan nei the capital kan tholo chon profit om thelo ni tro. So capital and profits are related to each other. So and then on capital employed hi ti taila capital employed paisa edu means in paisa thosa chu noi khat ti taila 1 lakh taila and my competitor is also employing 1 lakh kan competitor te pon he competitor ania ka competitor pon capital la tho chu noi khat thau let's see the profit. Profit ka siam thei chu 12,000 ania ro screen hi kan siam thalo kang chon ka competitor ten profit an siam thei chu sing khatania ti kan kan analyze ang le let's analyze it this way analyze mine question kan nei chu tunge efficient jok in sang the me tunge efficient jok hemi pani hi information pani hi en taula tunge efficient jok edumis ole edumis tro edumis in tifeka inge chan le achan chu capital ai nang reng an capital thosa thi ai nang reng tro ma se an profit hi en taila edumisin noi khata tho tro profit asiam thei chu 12,000 ania edu xyz in noi khat tho tro ai nang reng an capital an tho chu ma se profit asiam thei chu sing khat chau ni tro edumis hi a efficient jok achan chu sang nin a profit a tam jok tro capital ai nang reng ma se a profit hi sang nin a tam jok a competitor nen kan compare chon tro entertainment shall I think any doubt up to this? Any doubt up to this? So super profit formula hi entaila super profit swing actual profit minus normal profit hi a formula chunia tro super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit. Actual profit kan ti hi tu profit nge ti kan thia tangai actual ani chon kan profit aniang actual ani chon kan profit in jang kha 12,000 tro edu means in profit ani chu 12,000 ania profit asiam thei chu 12,000 tro normal profit kan ti chu tu ta nge niang normal profit hi tu ta nge niang normal profit will be our competitors profit kan competitor te profit aniang normal profit kan ti hi what are they normally earning an actual profit kan kha thei long tro achan chu an profit and loss account te deal ta ila min phalangem min pe labong tro tinge min pe klingo tang min pe dong lo ni tro so normally in zange profit an nei thei ti kan entry na ni actual kan profit chu kan thria kan actual profit a figure pon kan thria tro but can we know the competitor's profit exact amount? No. So what we say? What is their normal profit? Can compare ni tro. So in this example, kan competitor chu edu xyz ani tro profit ani chu 10,000 tro 10,000 profit ani le entaila inge kan super profit kan ti chon 2,000 ani me kan profit hi 2,000 in a tamzo katro kan profit hi 2,000 in a tamzo katro. So what is my super profit? My super profit is rupees 2,000. We are in the same class of business hey kan business class point ang reng tro education a kanom ve ni tro education same business kan capital thozat point ang reng kan capital thozat point ang reng mase kan profit hi an profit ain sing ni na tamatro sang ni na tama sorry 2,000 na tamatro so my super profit is 2,000 rupees entertainment. So under super profit method hey crux hi bro hey crux hi entertainment your 80% 90% problem will be solved abak to in practice angai tro le under super profit method hey lo ziak hey poi mo lu tuk under super profit method hey ka thing hi na mo under super profit method our capital and our competitors capital will be same. Kan capital thosat le kan competitor ten capital thosat ay nang reng don. Pero hey point number 1 anya. But the profit will be different. Kan profit le kan competitor te profit ay nang thelaw. Pero then we'll have the super profit. Ay nang chon super profit on thelaw ni. Pero so the formula of super profit is actual profit minus normal profit. Oh, so what's the crux? What's the crux? Same capital, different profit under super profit method. Hey, intrathiam chon, your 90% problem is solved. Your 90% problem is solved. Oh, explain that our mamo. In school, they may explain it different way. I may explain it different way. But at the end, we have to understand. Tero, school I explain that zog me thea. Ka explain that zog me thea. Tero, it's fine. Oh, don't compare your school, my school. Sorry, explain that I nang love. Tero, don't do that. Okay. So the moral of the story is we have to understand the concept. Question kan sathiam ngai ni. Oh, we have to understand the concept. We have to solve the questions. Explanation cho inang thelo ni. Oh, different teachers have their own way of explaining. Tero, so this is how we will analyze. Oh, under super profit method, say it 3 times. Under super profit method, same capital, different profit. Same capital, different profit. Same capital, different profit. Intrathiam, Zona name. Zona mem. Okay. Indule in audio pon in zo the. Oh. Now let's come back to this question. Let's come back to this question. The firm kan tichu kay money throw me. My business. Oh, the firm started business. I started business with a capital of 1,50,000. Capital kan thochu enjaya 1,50,000. Kan chechu under super profit method kan capital le kan competitor te capital ay nangreng kan tetro. Noi khat singa ka tho ani chuan kan competitor te pon enjayan thong. Noi khat singa tho. So this is my capital and the same will be of my competitors. Oh, the normal rate of return in this class of business is 25%. Normal kan tichuan. Normally, what is my competitor earning? Oh, normally ni chuan kan competitor te. Actual ni chuan kay money. Oh, so normally an profit rate to 25% anya. Oh, normal rate of earning in this class of business is 25%. The firm again, the firm ni chuan my business ka business. Oh, my business earned a profit of 45,000. Ka profit to 45,000. Tro under super profit method, my profit is 45,000. Will this be same with my competitor? No. Tro achan chu kan capital ay nang dona. Profit ay nang thelaw ni. So we have to find out what is their normal profit. Entertainment. We have to solve it. Oh, dekhan kan analyze ang. Le. So what is the actual profit? 45,000. Actual chu kay money kan profit tro 45,000. Kan profit chu 45,000. Kan profit chu 45,000 le. Normal profit ani chuan kan competitor te profit kan tetro. Profit of my competitor. Profit of my competitor. Le. Entinga kan zong. Entinga kan zong. There is a formula again. Normal profit formula kan netro. Normal profit chu capital employed. Capital employed I mean yeah, capital actually employed. Normally employed the OMM. Formula hi ka bahan ngai la pa. Capital employed. Okay, capital employed into normal rate of return. Hey, a formula chuniatro. Normal profit inte ganjong. Capital employed into normal rate of return. Oh, interest le turchu. Profit kan tipiang hian. Oh, profit hian capital nen. Direct relation ani. Oh, profit has direct relation with capital. Achan chu capital kan tholo chon profit kan earn thelo. Tro poisa kan thona chan internet business aing mani poisa kan thodo na tro eng business poni thea investment te poni thea. Poisa kan invest na chan hinge return kan du bangania profit kan du bangania tro. So capital will have direct relation with profit. Capital will have direct relation with profit. Entertainment lo sang tole. So this is the formula. Normal profit is capital employed into normal rate of return. Oh, normal profit ani chuan our competitors profit kan te tro our competitors profit. Oh, so our competitor te profit kan jong do na tro ani chuan un capital kan la ka ngai do na tro their capital un capital kan na nga chuan inge normally they are earning kan na nga tro. So un capital kan thia meta question min thilam un capital en jang an thoti min thilla wa tro he man soi lo ni ma second set chu under super profit method our capital and our competitors capital will be same ani chuan noi khat singa kan tho ani chuan en jang an tho vyang noi khat singa tho tro. So their capital employed will be 1,50,000 into the easy into normal rate chu en jang normal rate chu 25%. Oh, normal rate chu 25%. Tikhan kan chokanga normal profit chu en jang yang 37,500 into the so now so normal profit is 37,500 minus 45,000 to 7,500. Hey, can super profit chunya throw. So what is the goodwill? Goodwill is 3 into super profit. 3 into super profit. Oh, so the goodwill is rupees 22,500. Full marks. Full marks. Entertainment. Explain on nga Entertainment. Entertainment. So crux like ha. Crux like mo. Crux doing it. Crux means conclusion. Short. Yes. How will we understand it in a short way? Crux. So crux kan tihimo. Under super profit method. Hey, to pro. Under super profit method, my profit, sorry, my capital and my competitor's capital will be same. My profit and my competitor's profit will be different. Ani chuan noi khat ka tho ani chuan business a noi khat ka tho ani chuan competitor depon running same class of business will also employ 1 lakh rupees. Tro. Chuan hemi 1 lakh rupees manga 12,000 profit ka siya matro. And my competitor is earning 10,000 rupees. So hey, kan capital tho chu ai nang reng ma se kan profit ai nang lo tro ka profit hi sang ni na tamjok tro. So what will be my super profit? 2,000 rupees. Hey, actual profit kan profit actual anya tro normal chu kan competitor te profit anya. So that's the formula. Easy. Intradium. 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 Okay. Let's move to question number. Next question to question number 11. Oh, question number 11 kana now. Question number 11. Capitalization method. Oh, a business ani chan. My business. Throw my business. Oh, a business. Ka teaching style hitle min ka thak dewa. Serious na min zirte afu baklau kati. Teacher dang tahi ka entrina anfiam trina class apo. Ka fiam tam. Funny de min ka zirte to. Oh, low comment ro la. Low comment ula. Nge thazok. Serious de wa zirte nge. Fiam tu tho de win zirte hi nom jogging ti. Oh. A firm has earned an average profit of rupees 1,80,000. A firm ani chuan my business. Throw my business. My business. Oh, ka business in profit earn chu average profit chu kum khata average in zayan nei average le actual ai nang reng. Oh, don't be confused. Oh, 1,80,000 kan profit chu 1,80,000 kum khata profit kan earn za chu average on an average chu 1,80,000. Throw during the last few years. And the normal rate of return in similar type of business is 10%. Kan competitor ten exang profit and CM 10%. Oh, and capital thoa 10% profit and CM 3. Oh, normally. Find out the goodwill by capitalization method. Capitalization method can zero down. Oh, assuming that the firm owns total assets worth rupees 19,50,000, included therein a goodwill of 1,50,000 and outside liabilities of rupees 3 lakh. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, so let's read this first. Let's solve this first. First, understand the concept. Capitalization method hi kan thati am patao. Oh, capitalization method. Capitalization method. Capitalization method. Goodwill under capitalization method hi hai. It is the form according to the method goodwill is the amount of capital saved. If the firm earns more profit by investing less amount of capital as compared to other firms who have been earning the same amount of profits with some amount of capital, the capital saved will be assumed to be good. Okay, let's understand this. Oh, formula hi kan patang. Or let's understand the crux first. Oh, under capitalization method, hey lausi akro. Oh, or let's analyze this way. Edumis le analyze le local. Edumis edu xyz. Capital employed. Edumis in capital thochu 80,000 titaila. Oh, 80,000 na thoa chon kan competitor in capital thochu 1 lakh. Ania. Oh, kan competitor 10 capital an thochu 1 lakh. Edumis in profit the same thochu 10,000 titaila. Chon my competitor is earning 10,000 as well. Le lo chang tu le. Tunga efficient zok. Tunga efficient zok. Lo chang tu le. Tunga efficient zok. Who is more efficient? Le. Chang don mi. Edumis. Okay. In that him ve. Tuition point mo mo hainem. Tuition point mo mo hainem. In thiem na to. Oh, le. Edumis a efficient zok. Tro. Achan chu. Ingen yang. Endo. Edumis in poisa. Capital thosa thien zange 80,000 tro. Kan competitor in poisa thochu 1 lakh. Profit. Edumis in profit siem chu 10,000. Yeah. Competitor pon 10,000 tho. Tro profit as siem. Hey, analyze tayo la hey. Tugay capital mo mo nem zok. Edumis nge edu xyz. Edu xyz in no ikhatam mo tro. Profit chu ay nang reng hey. An profit an siem sa chu ay nang reng. Edu xyz in 10,000 profit siem nan. Oh, paisa mo mo chu no ikhatanya. Tro. Singkat profit thau. Edumis in earn chu tro. Singkat profit earn nan. Paisa mo chu 80,000. Entertainment. Edumis in paisa mo mo nem baklaw. Hey. 80,000 so money to earn same profit as my competitor, same profit as the competitor. Intra efficiency so kan tichon edumis tinge achan jo 20,000 he capital a saved to earn the same profit hai an profit ai nang rek ma se an capital thoi ai nang law tro edumis in capital am mo hem law 20,000 in a difference o matro 20,000 difference o ma hai an capital kan compare chon tro. So who is more efficient? Edumis is more efficient because it's saving rupees 20,000. 20,000 capital are saved. Throw earning the same profit. Entertainment. So write a crux here. Crux lausi ekleula. Under capitalization method, oh, same profit, opposite, oh, with super profit. Same profit, different capital. Achan so goodwill under capitalization method kan diya. So capitalization method and capitalization method. So goodwill will be the difference of the capital. Super profit method and so the goodwill will be difference of the profit. Super profit, difference of the profit. Capitalization method, difference of the capital. Entertainment. So this is the crux of capitalization method. This is the crux of capitalization method. Under capitalization method, profit will be same, but the capital will be different. Hey, intritium to 90% of your problem is solved. But remaining 10% will be practice. Oh, remaining 10% will be practice. Intritium. Intritium. Now let's move to the question. Question number 11. Oh, goodwill under capitalization method. Goodwill under capitalization method. Goodwill under capitalization method. In a formula, capital formula 2, capital normally required minus capital actually employed. Oh, normally ani chon kan competitor te capital kan nga actual ani chon kan capital kan na. Oh, entertainment. Okay. Entertainment. normally ani chon kan competitor te capital ani anga actual ani chon kan capital oh intratiam ma or kan bang lo in charge kai peta thidon sat mai video in thina youtube ate po in thina eng ma comment eng ma like om lo ba nge min motivate lo tat me student ho hi comment thin ro sir atha lo good very good tite le okay so now let's see the question 180 is the average profit during the last find out the capitalization okay so capital normally required he can shoot put space data ila for goodwill capital normally required to our competitors capital hi exam as khera ngai lo our competitors capital ti hi khera ngai lo so capital normally required to can competitor take capital throw under capitalization method can fit to same profit different capital throw to kan profit le kan competitor te profit ay nang reng don throw so if our profit is 180 kan profit hi 180 ani chon kan competitors te profit po 180 thau ani don ani throw entertainment so what is the normal profit so 180 throw 180 entertainment kan competitors te profit so 180 kan zon angai chu capital normally required inge kan competitors te capital throw le we will understand okay 3 steps extra kan zero chon entertainment okay so in the non profit in thing kan zong thin profit chu paisa an thoa inge a normal rate of return kan te tro he normal profit formula nya let's write it properly normal profit is employed into normal rate of return he formula chu nya tro le inge normal profit 180 capital kan zong do tro so let's say capital employed into what is the normal rate normally my competitor is earning 10% tro normally my competitor is earning 10% instead he solve le taila 180 is equal to capital employed into 10 by 100 tro 10 by 100 so let's take this here let's multiply it by 180 or let's take this first class 8 maths explain na nga so capital employed into 10 will be 10 capital employed on 10 capital employed is equal to he multiply le taila he multiply le taila 180 into 100 and yang throw so now what will be the capital employed 180 into 10 by sorry 180 into 100 by 10 throw so the capital employed will be 18 lakhs entertainment hey chow he in text hey chow he antiang only this two line throw mase we can solve it this way entertainment so kang student tam takin hela hi problem an 18 asar anting 100 by 10 kan mu chuak ka explain du chong lo entertainment ngai chong lo explain lo meang tikhan in chok meang du le mo exam or board exam in du chon he lo ziak lo me ro hela hi ziak lo me ro only you write it in a rough paper hela hi du le rough lo siamula rough lo ziakula or you can write it's fine or you just write this part in thu khachu in ti dan dan marks deduct eng mam la pau le entertainment hela hi easy na all jok tro ba ha turum lo tro normal profit kan niya sir explain okay don't worry it's fine sa sundan na so let's team lo chon sir please explain again I will explain it again. Don't worry. Oh, le. Hello here. Sir, apa buat lak fa? Kan en tur chu nge. What we have to find? We have to find capital normally required. Kan zong tur chu capital normally required. En zai capital kan mamo. Kan mamo ani nge kan competitor ten capital en zang yan mamo. Zok. Kan competitor ten capital en zang yan mamo zo kan ya tro. Question min zot chu. Oh, capital normally required chu kan competitor ten ya. Oh, under capitalization method ani ya. Chu crux ka se tir chu khatro. Crux a chu ni nge. Under capitalization method profit will be same. Amje chu kan profit le kan competitors te profit ai nang reng don tro, but the capital will be different. Kan capital le an capital thosat ai nang don lo tro. So kan capital hi, sorry, kan profit hi nge hey a business ati chuan kan business ti na ne tro my business ka ti kha tro ka profit 180 ani chuan kan competitor te point zange an profit ani ang 180 thau tro. So 180 is the normal profit. Profit normally an earn chu 180 ani. Normal profit ka nei to tro. Normal profit formula hi phang tai la. Oh, normal profit formula chu capital employed into normal rate of return tikhan kan tia normal profit into this tikhan class 8 maths. Oh, tikhan kan zong theini. Oh, by heart angai lo umse to hela hi by heart in by heart angai to lo. Oh, hi in thetiam chon normal profit formula in hang chon hi by heart angai to lo. Student tam takin hela hi an by heart thina. Oh, okay. Done. Capital normally required to 1 lakh, sorry, 18 lakhs. Next kan to capital actually employed. Capital actually employed to kan capital throw working on number 2. Capital actually employed to yeah kan capital my capital throw to katika my capital and my competitors capital will not be same under capitalization method throw le lahi kana nang find out the goodwill by capitalization method assuming that the firm is one my business. Oh, my business owns total assets worth 19 lakh 50,000. Asset kan nature in zange total assets kan nature 19 lakh 50. Oh, including therein a goodwill of 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Hemi 19,50,000 ahian goodwill tells that so zange 1,50,000. Oh, hey bifurcate taila. Total assets so zange 19,50,000. Throw hey bifurcate taila. Here 10 taila. Goodwill chuinge. Goodwill he intangible asset ania. Throw goodwill chu intangible asset ania. Intangible asset he zange 1,50,000. Throw 19,50,000 ahian intangible asset he 1,50,000 ani chuan tangible assets in zang yang 18 lakhs tro helai in 30 mm helai in 30 mm and bifurcate na chan hi na ken aka explain ang oh in 30 mm okay and outside liabilities what rupees 3 lakhs and outside liabilities what rupees 3 lakhs oh liabilities kan nei chu 3 lakhs liabilities kan nei chu 3 lakhs oh liabilities kan nei chu 3 lakhs hey hi kan information ania kan balance sheet information oh le hey hi balance sheet form in 30 taila fixed assets tangible assets to fixed assets again siak me ngo 18 lakhs ani tro chuan goodwill chu intangible assets chu 1,50,000 ani tro. So what will be the total of my asset side 19,50,000 total assets mean pe tro 19,50,000 kan che chu class 11 point 0 nga equation is 0 nga tro equation in this kha total assets is equal to total liabilities always throw and total assets like and total liabilities see I nang rank to always it should be same throw total assets 19 lakh 50 and each one what will be my total liabilities 19 lakh 50,000 throw the liability for 19 lakh 50,000 yang okay so this is the equation now see second equation in zero so capital plus liability is equal to total assets hey equation in zero bokong throw class 11 capital le liability chu total assets an yang tro so now see capital kan thela capital kan jong du tro mase liability chu kan thia tro liability is how much outside liability is 3 lakh rupees liabilities chu kan thia capital chu ngen yang balancing figure chu ni mei do na tro balancing figure 19 lakh 50 a yan 3 lakh se pai tai la we find out 16 lakh 50 he kan capital ania this is my capital 16 lakh 50 mase mo he chu in thiam to tro zonai name helai thangi there is some changes oh there is some changes in the mm helai la copy oh just for explaining into tem tro helai capital and thing kan zong dan he and thing ka budan in tmm equation hemi equation and ka explain ka oh kan sui te ule into tmm okay very good le Massimo there is one problem here. There is one problem here. Chapter 3 in zero to oh ka helaba into chapter 3 guys chapter 3 in an non em in let to em ta life class miss out ka life class regular a join how to in trianga miss out kan in en to em hey admission huwa ania win class kala ki admission ka ti dai to ni oh admission chapter hey ka miss out to hey recorded lectures a ka da thing hila om je chu life kala kha ka record thing hila ni chu oh ka met thing hila record la hey class kala thale hey student ten min jot wang nen to em okay chapter 2 point 0 to in ka share oh existing goodwill om chon kan write off ni ngai kan ti ka question in nge in chu turati goodwill tro goodwill calculate ro atia goodwill chu nge new goodwill ane tro goodwill third tour calculate ro atia goodwill third tour calculate ro atia tro balance sheet hi en taila balance sheet hen existing goodwill om mem all goodwill om mem he all goodwill ania he all goodwill ania tro new goodwill kan chut piang in kan calculate piang in goodwill om sa hi all goodwill hi kan write off nge ngai kan tia book sa kan strike off om je chu 150 hi a value hi 0 a kan dang nge ngai oh a value al hutna hi 0 a tan hiam nge ngai ni chu kan write off nge ngai book sa ti bo oh khatam mana ngai khatam nge ngai oh book sa le new goodwill kan chut main kan goodwill account hi kan write off nge ngai kan tia tro om je chu hemi goodwill hi om thelo tro kan write off kan minus nge ngai oh into them kan minus nge ngai kan minus nge ngai oh into them kan minus nge ngai tro goodwill can write off to and then can write off to ni tro so the total of asset side will now be 18 lakhs aniam total of asset side will now be 18 lakhs tro so if the total of asset side is 18 lakhs the total of liability side will also be 18 lakhs and the capital will be 15 lakhs into the helai in man thiam in through thiam zone 9 h1 in zone pay oh goodwill can minus tro le e kan chokam oh in thiam chon okay so capital actually employed chewing and young total assets atang goodwill kan pay phat angai tro goodwill kan minus angai tro hey and ro total assets atang goodwill kan minus to hela goodwill om kha kan minus to tro then enti hey 15,000 enti kan mutfak hey zek taila 150 hey goodwill ti taila maro ah thila na naus to ka eta har le en ro fixed assets 18 lakhs ania tro ngoro fixed assets khainge 19 lakh 50 ania fixed assets 19 oh no 18 lakhs sorry tipal chule 18 lakhs dikhan kan petro 19 lakh 50 he he next explain le lo ko la hi oh an boy thina an bahar thina boy thak tu oh he hi ne tro first equation goodwill can write off ma goodwill can write off ma le kan shet chu hemi total assets I hen goodwill amount po tel tro total assets atang goodwill kan minus phot angai ni tro goodwill kan write off phot angai write off hom je chu kan minus a value ka kan zero angai to tro so this will go away this will go away so total assets minus goodwill total assets to 19 lakh 50 tro minus 1 lakh 50 tro then how do we find out the capital then total assets are here total hemi total assets atang liabilities kan minus tro then we find out the capital into them so total assets minus goodwill minus minus outside liabilities minus how much? What's the outside liabilities? 3 lakhs ami. 3 lakhs to kan capital ani yaw. Into the mem. Into the mem. Kalahi. Ehi kan capital employee suni. Oh, into the mem. There. Analyze the look on. Goodwill can write off to throw. So the total assets will be what? 18 lakhs. Then liabilities kan minus ang capital kan mutur chu en 15 lakhs ani mem. Okay. Total assets minus liabilities is capital. Tro, base goodwill om hi kan write off ang bang khan kan write off pot to. Tro. This way you will analyze and you will solve. Oh, bahaya turum lo ni. Hela hi po hi bahaya suo. In practice ang in thathiam me. Okay. So what is capital employed? Minus 15 lakhs. So what is the amount of goodwill? Oh, declare me. Question number 11. Tro. 30 lakhs minus 24 mo. Oh, apa mo kaya? Oh, 3 lakhs alone. Not declare. How thong to 3 lakhs? Oh, goodwill cho 3 lakhs. Goodwill cho 3 lakhs. Oh, in illustration lom ko without him. Oh, goodwill to 3 lakhs. Goodwill to 3 lakhs. Oh, entertainment lahi. Easy. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 15 he. Kanan labang to na. Oh, let's skip this first. Let's come to question number 21. Question number 21 hi kanan now. Hey, hot sanya. Hot si achok du don yo. Tun kuma hot si chok ni don anti. Cho achok nem don anti. What's question hi? Le. Upper dash firm earned net profit during the last 3 years as follows. Thuma profit kan chu hi ne. Oh, the capital employed in the firm throughout the capital employed in the firm throughout the above mentioned period has been 4 lakhs. Oh, paisa kan tho chu en jang the firm ani chon the capital employed in the firm ani chon kan business din atro in the firm je chu kan business and business in capital tho chu 4 lakhs ania kumthuma profit kan nei chu he hi nia tro having regard to the risk involved 15% is considered to be fair rate of return on capital. Fair rate of return to normal rate of return. Oh, can competitor 10 normal rate of return and earn 15%. The remuneration of all the partners during this period is estimated to be 1 lakh per annum. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of super profit and on average capitalization method. Hey, important angin makro. Yun match from doon. Oh, let's see the super profit first. Super profit kan input ang. Tayo kan chok me doon me. Last question na ito. Tayo kan chok me. Super profit method. Oh, goodwill is equal to inge. Siyale look ang. 2 years purchase of super profit earned on average basis during the above mentioned 3 years. Oh, average kan lakang I don't need to. Oh, hey, it's here. Kan siya. Pero hey, 3 years profit min paya. Average so ngay ngay. Kan siya. Pero, but let's read the question. 2 years purchase of super profit. 2 years purchase of super profit. So goodwill is 2 into super profit. Oh, pak chu en su. Le en sri su. Le, super profit formula ngay ka. Actual profit. actual he actual average profit ay nang reng minus normal profit. Actual lo chon average kan hangang. Average lo chon actual kan hangang. Okay? So this is the formula. Next, normal profit kan chon nang ay do na tro. Normal profit chu yan yang. Normal profit is capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed into normal rate of return. Okay? This is the formula. Now let's read this first. Average profit or actual profit kan jong patang hey information in Petro. Hey he kan profit anya. Hey a partnership from earn net profit during the last 3 years as follows. Kum thuma profit kan echo hey niya kum khat profit siya kan duwa kan average profit kan jong don ni. We just need one year's profit. On an average, what is the profit tro? Hey kan average nga. Masay lai he kan film kurang ay hey kan actual profit anya tro. Hey mi line he daw siya taula. The remuneration of all the partners during this period is estimated to be 1 lakh per annum. Kum khata partner te remuneration kan pe khi noi khat ani kum khata partner te remuneration is salary ang in ngai me ro remuneration or salary same. Partner te salary kan pe khi 1 lakh ania noi khat ania kum khata. Le he kan average kan net profit ania tro he en ro. Profit and loss account atang profit and transfer he nia tro. Then after that P&L appropriation account kan CM thina kan zir to chapter 1 atro. P&L appropriation account na net profit kan transfer thina tro net profit ka kan transfer thina. So then we profit atang salary te interest on capital te remuneration te kan pe thina tro. Then at the end we have divisible profit. He partners are kan CM thin. He explain vector tro. Wait tam tak explain to ni. Okay. So this is not the final profit. Hey, this is the profit transferred from the P&L account. This is the profit. Hey, profit and loss account na transfer profit khanya. Hey, me profit the trang remuneration kumtina noi khat salary kan pe ngai partners te hi. Okay. So actual profit kan jong do na tro actual profit or average profit ay nang reng kan tia. Actual profit kan jong do na. So hey, me profit the trang 1 lakh can minus nuwa inge profit labang ti kanen don ni. Okay, that we will compare with the competitors profit. Okay, so this is the only point of difference here. Average profit here. Average profit kan jong phatang average profit chu en jang 1 lakh 90 2 lakh 20 2 lakh 50 1 lakh 90 plus 2 lakh 20 plus 2 lakh 50 divided by 3 into them zelem le inge average profit chu niao 2 lakh 20 tro kum khata on an average business in profit earned chu 2 lakh 20 tro actual ni ta se he example hemi actual trang inge remuneration kum tina noi khat kan pe ka ngai tro so what will be the average profit left 1 lakh 10,000 hemi profit he can compare thei chau ni chu everything after all the adjustments long zong kan pass ton huwa enjoy profit kan nei leinge kan competitor te profit kan na nga then we will find out the super profit tro so this is my actual profit or you can say average profit 1 lakh 10,000 in them zelem so 9 name 1 lakh 10 1 lakh 20 sorry 2 lakh 20 minus 1 lakh 2 1 lakh 20 very attentive my student very attentive chal to actual profit minus normal profit chu kan competitor te profit ro le normal profit kan siap tem tan kan shoot this is let's say working note number 1 hey working note number 1 kan tiwa working note number 2 working note number 3 le normal profit kan na capital employed chu en mm, super profit method ania tro kan capital ai nang reng don kan tia aniam kan capital le kan competitor te capital ai nang don tro profit ai nang don lo so kan capital he jange capital kan tho chu 4 lakhs ania tro noili capital kan tho tro super profit method ania kanen 3 na. Tro, super profit method niya. So this will also be my competitor's profit. Ay nang reng non ganti tro. So normal profit kan competitor ten profit an mamochu. Sorry, capital an mamochu. Noily. Tro, noily. And the normal rate is what? And the normal rate is 15%. And the normal rate is 15%. Oh, interesting. Normal profit to 60,000. Yeah. So what is the super profit? Sorry, super profit is rupees 60. And what is the goodwill? 2 into 60,000, so 1,20,000. Easy, easy. Don't worry, ka explain on lang. Oh, formula kan siya katro. Actual profit kan zonga, the normal profit kan zonga, super profit kan niya nga. Tro. Let's find out the average profit first. Average profit. Average profit. Sorry, kan mo chu actual profit niya. Tro, actual profit kan nila ba mase average profit kan hong tini. Kumthum profit min pe tro. Hemi kumthum profit a 3 in divide kumthum profit 3 in divide taila average profit kan ni thi do tro. Hey, and taula net profit anya. Oh, this is the profit transferred from the profit and loss account. Hey, final profit alan nilaw, divisible profit alan nilaw. Kung to pa profit and sayang bang alan nilaw. Hey, tro achan chu remuneration pa nasa salary kan pek patangay. Then only will be left with the profit. Profit bang chu. Hey, remuneration salary kan pek to nuan ya tro. So average profit kan zonga. Hey, 3 in divide taila 2,20,000 kan no tro. So remuneration salary kan pek 3 hinoi khatanya. Hey, minus le taila 1,20,000 profit abang atro. This will be my actual, or you can call it average profit. Oh, okay. Normal profit kanin le dona. Tro normal profit jo kan competitor te profit anya. Tro normal profit means my competitors te profit. Super profit method akan share jo my capital and my competitors capital will be same. Tro ka capital 4 lakhs ani jon ka competitor te capital pa 4 lakhs tau anya nga. So normal rate jo 15% anya. Hey chu taula 60,000 mo. Oh, 60,000 anya nga. Then Mm, 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 this is then here actual minus normal to super profit and yeah. Throw. Then the formula is 2 into super profit. You find out your goodwill. Easy. Easily. 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 Easy. Easy. Next thing, yeah, question. The question wants us to find out goodwill as per capitalization method also. Capitalization method. Question number 20. Oh, kanan doon niya question number 20. Oh, don't worry. Kasi recorded lecture sa aum to sin kanti day tolong question number 22 masa indu chuan kanti la tawang. Okay, don't worry. Capitalization method le formula kan jek phatang. Goodwill is equal to capital normally required minus capital actually employed. Pero normally ni chuan kan competitor ten capital and zangan mo le kan capital and zangan kan mo kan na nga goodwill kan jong do ni. Pero easy le capital normally required kan jong nga. Capital normally required. Capital normally required. Capital normally required. Oh, le. Tahan mo kan film khut le chungai. Oh, kan film khut le ngai. Capitalization method akan siya chu. Profit will be same. Capital will be different. Pero kan capital ay nang kailaw ni. Oh, sa DMM. Profit kan competitor profit le kan profit ay nang don. Kan competitors te capital kan dong don. Pero okay, forget about this. Hey, hello, hello. Profit will be same. Kan profit le kan competitors te profit ay nang don. Pero so, enzang kan profit. Enzang kan profit. Pero hilahi. Capital normally required kan zong do na tro. Normal profit formula himang taila. normal profit formula cho capital employed into normal rate of return. Oh, normal profit into equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Le, kan compute the profit in zai kha 1,20,000 NEM. Question number 1 super profit method kan jong to em. Hey, an actual profit to 1,20,000 he kan mang tong. Into the capitalization method chuan kan profit le kan competitor the profit ai nang do na tro. Into the la hi kan film khur le ngai. Into the I'm so proud of myself. Cái student ten boy na ni to lo. Pero an confused sin ani student tam to. Oh exam apo. Last day of exam upon confusion. Okay. So kan competitor the profit so ay nang reng don tro kan profit nen. Kan profit 1,20,000 ani chon kan competitor the profit en zai yang. 1,20,000 yang tro. Le chon capital employed kan jong do na into normal rate chon zang 15% ani. Oh hey chocolate ai la. 1,20,000 is equal to capital employed into 15 by 100. Oh so 15 capital employed is equal to 1,20,000 into 100. Throw capital employed is equal to 1,20,000 into 100 by 15. And so what is the capital employed? 88 lakhs. 8 lakhs. Throw the 8 lakhs. And yeah, can competitor 10 capital and mamo to 8 lakhs. Throw John can capital to 4 lakhs. And yeah, question in the throw. Okay. Question in pesa hey 4 lakhs. Oh, so what will be the goodwill as per capitalization method? The goodwill will be rupees 4 lakhs. In 30 mm, in 30 mm, in 30 mm. Easy, easy. Question number 20 here. Question ka prepare la ba? Oh, low in low and made on ya. Oh, or kalau siya kang achon. Let's take 5 minutes break. Oh, John. Kanang la ba nga? Question ka prepare nga. Nang ipon break ni wala. John will be back. Oh. Le. Question number 20 kana na nga. John kan tutok ang oh. Question number 20. A business has earned average profits of rupees 1 lakh during the last few years. A business and each one can business. Throw my business. My business. Oh, profit can earn to 1 lakh during the last few years. And the normal rate of return in similar business is 10%. Can competitor 10 profit and earn to 10% throw. Find out the value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit method and super profit method if the goodwill is valued at 3 lakhs of 3 lakhs purchase of super profit. Oh, capitalization of super profit method time boys wo super profit method che hi endo super profit method. Oh, then super profit method or sorry find the value of goodwill by capitalization at the first capitalization at yeah hey thing here oh capitalization method and super profit method if the value of goodwill is valued at 3 years purchase of super profit. Oh, the assets of the business were 10 lakhs and external liabilities were 1,50,000. Okay, so let's solve this CBSE question. Hey, last year question now 2024 exam oh hey let's solve it. Let's solve it. Super profit method. Sorry, first let's see do capitalization super profit and do. Let's solve it anyway, it's fine. Capitalization method, or let's first solve super profit method. Oh, super profit method. Goodwill swing goodwill is equal to 3 years purchase of super profit at goodwill is equal to 3 into super profit. Oh, so what is the formula of super profit? Super profit formula so actual, or you can say average profit minus normal profit. Pero actual chu kan nei atro actual chu anga min pe khi noi khatania average profit min pe chu noi khatania atro le normal profit kan zong normal profit formula inge kha capital employed into normal rate of return tro le capital employed into normal rate of return tro capital employed normal ani chon kan competitor te kan te tro kan competitor te capital hinge kan thaloni tro ma se crux kan theta chon under super profit method capital will be same kan te tro capital will be same profit will be different aniam kan capital le kan competitor te capital ai nang reng don tro so let's find out what is my capital inge ka capital what is my capital mm, a information impact chu he nia oh the assets of the business ani chon ka business super profit method akan chat chu kan capital le kan competitor te capital ai nang rek tro le assets sin jange 10,000 ne liabilities chu 180 capital kan jong them equation hong tai la kan chat chu total assets is equal to total liabilities tro assets are 10 lakhs ania balance sheet sem tai la 10 lakhs tro so he total ani chon tahian 10 lakhs ani thawanga tro chon liabilities chu jange 180 ania capital chu nge niang 10 lakhs minus 8 lakh 20 tro this is my capital but how will you solve in the exam how will you solve in the exam oro adik don lo re kan boyang capitalization method kan tipotang oh let's keep this for now capitalization method in kan tipotang oh capitalization method in boys kang capitalization method chu nge formula goodwill is equal to capital normally required minus capital actually employed oh le capitalization crux nge kha profit same capital different ro he crux ania okay now let's find out capital normally required capital normally required om ja chu kan competitor te capital tro le so let's see what's the normal profit chu normal profit is what under capitalization method my profit and my competitor's profit will be same kan tia tro kan competitor ten profit nei chu 1 lakh ania so my profit will also be 1 lakh tro now let's apply the formula normal profit formula is capital employed into normal rate tro so what is the normal profit 1 lakh capital employed kan jong dona normal rate chu jang normal rate is 10% tro so 10 capital employed is equal to into 100 so the capital employed will be into 100 divided by 10 and each one 10 lakhs oh capital employed chu 10 lakhs into the mm 10 lakhs throw 10 lakhs ania 10 lakhs throw now what is my actual capital ka capital chu capital actually required chu nge ro katin nok me hala hi wait oh tit phaleang sorry lutuk hala hi next page akan siak lo lo sorry lutuk explain rang lutuk em explain rang lutuk em so ro let's do it in the main page capitalization method oh inge kha goodwill formula goodwill is equal to capital normally required pakhate tein kan thati amount normally required minus capital actually employed tro Let's find out capital normally required. Capital normally required so can competitor the capital throw. Capital normally required. Capitalization method akan set so profit will be same, capital will be different throw. So what is the normal profit? Can competitor the profit 1 lakh ani chuan hey question is here taula. Kan competitor in average profit ni chu 1 lakh ani throw. Ani chuan kan profit po noi khat ani throw. Normal profit formula mang taila. Capital employed into normal rate throw. Normal profit chu noi khat ani capital employed kan jong do na throw. Normal rate chu 10%. So into 10 by 100 throw 10 CE titaila into 100. So the capital employed will be 10 lakhs. And competitor in Pusan Momocho 10 lakhs. Oh, into TMM hilahi. Into TMM hilahi. Good. Very good. 10 lakhs. Capital actually employed choke and capital throw. Capital actually employed. Question is here taila. Hey, line here. Oh, the assets of the business were 10 lakhs and external liabilities 1 lakh 80. Hey, explain lang. Don't worry. Oh, balance sheet kan siyam thina tro. Asset side 10 lakhs kan niya. Pero equation kan siya. So we have our equation. We know that total assets will always be equal to total liabilities. Tro. Or you can say total liabilities is always equal to total assets. Ay nang no issue. Oh, total assets 10 lakhs ani chuan. And liabilities po 10 lakhs angay. Tro. 10 lakhs ani angay. Le. Total liabilities 10 lakhs ani nga. So the liability here 1 lakh 80 ani and liability here 1 lakh 80 ani chuan capital here and sang yang capital to 8 lakh 20 here balancing figure intratiemem 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 or equation dang in neutron capital plus liabilities is equal to total assets kantia aniam capital control ava liability 1 lakh 80 ania total assets 10 lakhs tro so capital is equal to 10 lakhs he mine then data it will be what minus 1 lakh 80 throw so capital will be 8 lakh 20 into them tikan in the no issue problem ma okay into them throw so what is the capital employed how will you find out capital employed is equal to assets minus liabilities minus 1 lakh 82 1 8 lakh 20 capital kan mamocho 1 lakh 80 1 lakh 1 lakh 80 8 lakh 20 8 lakh 20 8 lakh 20 showing a goodwill so 1 lakh 80 annual into them any doubt up to this any doubt up to this no doubt no doubt no doubt next super profit method kanana super profit method super profit method super profit method what's the question saying the question is saying 3 years purchase of super profit throw so goodwill will be 3 into super profit formula inge kha super profit formula chu actual profit actual or average minus normal profit हे formula niya tro minus normal profit le actual profit chu 1 lakh anya normal profit kan jong na tro normal profit formula inge kha capital employed into normal rate of return normal profit chu kan competitor te profit ania tro le super profit method a kan shet le chu profit will be different capital will be same tro kan capital le kan competitor te capital ina reng don kan te tro kan capital chu 8 lakh 20 ania kan competitors te capital po 8 lakh 20 thau ania tro normal rate chu 10% ania so what is the normal profit 82,000 oh 82,000 so what is the super profit 1 lakh minus 82,000 is 18,000 hey super profit ania then what will be the goodwill will be 54,000 enter TMM enter TMM enter TMM hela ye easy easy sum tro thì kan lo practice anga oh enter TMM practice lo chon eng ma kan sa thei lo okay kan pon explain tai la enter TMM lo chon enter TMM thawanga in practice lo chon am sem lo oh practice ngi ngai kan practice lo chon kan boi char chan me oh so that's it for the lecture oh chon YouTube students te kha in set to chu zo nai nei chon min di em the oh min zo tang the ni ka number in nei tong atro problem in nei chon the me lo bin sar he lo da them tiang kan da ngi ngau okay kan record anga record a san pan kan record ngai la wai live class kan le ta live class hi kan record khal thea html engma we don't have any problem it's just that YouTube da pekha a fu che lo ni chu entertainment so zonai nei chon dau tin nei chon in zo ta mung chulanga kan da me ang YouTube oh le zanin tan kan du to ka nga you may please leave good night take care